Make a great choice today with the 2015 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, roof rack. Inside you'll find navigation system, voice-activated navigation system, leather upholstery, security system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.